What are the problems? What are some of the issues that DeFi is looking to solve?
Yeah, there's a number of them. So number one, we have centralization and trust issues, right? So DeFi is aiming to eliminate some of these intermediaries like banks and brokers by using smart contracts and different blockchain technology. There's a push for more financial inclusion with DeFi, right? TradFi often excludes people because of things like high fees, credit requirements, maybe investment minimums, or geographic limitations. Transparency, right? Blockchains ensure that all transactions are publicly verifiable, which can help reduce corruption, different hidden risks. These three are enough to build a new financial industry on. But there's others, right? There's 24/7 markets, censorship resistance with these decentralized networks. And of course, the cost reduction, I think, is a big one, right? Eliminating these middlemen, automating the processes or different processes, all with smart contracts, et cetera.